Hi guys, my name is Emme. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share you guys my DSE art research books. And I have 4 research books in total, and they have like around 200 pages. So my main topic is about light and dark. In this video, I hope you found some useful skills or contents that can inspire you to do your research book. So before this video begins, please subscribe my channel. So this is my first research book. My first subtopic under my light and dark main topic is about climate change. So majorly I will pick up some images, or I will search several related image online to have a more kind of deeper understanding towards the topic. So from this page, I went to the Chinese University of Hong Kong. There was an exhibition about climate change, and I found that it's really useful for me to make my artwork. So in every research books, I tried to copy or try to read more newspapers in order to get more diverse opinions on climate change, this topic. So the artist that I took my inspiration from is called Nelly Azevedo. She's an Brazil sculptor. So in every artwork book, I try to test different watercolor techniques, because majorly my medium is watercolor, and I would try to jot down my progress of drawing. So sometimes maybe I have some post-it notes inside my artwork books, but they are all great ideas for me. So this is my second workbook. So this book basically is about New York City, because what I want to say here is that maybe New York is my childhood dream, from many years ago. But I want to point out that everything in this world, they kind of have no matter bright side or dark side, they all both have both sides. So these are some of the newspapers or articles that I found online. Even though I watched some related YouTube videos, I will also jot it down. So this is my second artist that I took inspiration from. He is René Magritte. He's a surreal artist from Belgium. So here is my drafts. In this topic, under this topic, I had 2 watercolor painting. So although you can see I have so many drafts, and they were also random, I want to say that is no matter how messy your draft is, just put it here, and then maybe just tidy them up and organize it, and jot down your thoughts next to them. So these are my art's progress. So this is my third arts portfolio. In this portfolio, my subtopic is humanity. So what I want to say here is very obvious. Is humanity has its good aspects and also bad aspects, and I try to read more newspaper to have a more deeper understanding. So this is my artist for reference. He is Gale. So I also kind of researched how to draw Western calligraphy, the Gothic style, because in this work, my final work, it had some Western calligraphy elements inside. So I will try to practice more, and then I also mix as many drafts as possible to actually somehow to fill up my art research books. So this is like the progress of my painting. Finally is my fourth portfolio. So actually my fourth topic is Hong Kong education system. As you know, I born in Hong Kong, and like I experienced like over like 50 years education here, and I have so many opinions towards this education systems, like, but majorly just focus on the bad side, because I feel like it cannot make people to somehow pursue their dream. So sometimes I saw some Instagram posts online, and I will also try to put it inside my art research books. And then I also invite my classmates to write down their opinion, and so that I can get it together. So yeah, these are my messy nooks and drops. Oh my gosh, that's so many. My words just looks so disgusting. Yeah, this is like a little testing. Because I just want to like try. Is it possible to make this work using this kind of method? So this is just like a little experiment for my final work. It's also another pages for recording my drawing process. So this is my art portfolio. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like this video. I hope you guys enjoy.